Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix this number is registered to your Apple ID but not associated with this phone. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So first of all guys, you can easily find this number is registered to your Apple ID but is not associated with this phone. You can keep using the phone number for iMessage and FaceTime until it's expired. So you can easily find here guys 4 days left. So guys, if you want to remove this message and want to use this number, then what you have to do guys, just simply you have to tap on remove from iMessage and FaceTime first. So just simply you have to remove this number for FaceTime and iMessage. Now after removing it guys, what you have to do is just simply you have to close this page. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to open the settings, tap on your Apple ID. From here you have to tap on sign in and security. Now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on edit and just simply have to remove the number first. Then tap on add or email or phone number, tap on add a phone number and just simply have to add the phone number here. So just simply have to tap on next, and after that guys, the verification code will be sent to your phone number. Just put the verification code and you can easily verify your phone number. Now after verifying your phone number, close this page. Now open the settings, then scroll it down. From here you have to locate for the iMessage. Here you can see guys, from here you have to tap on send and receive and just simply you have to check on your phone number or add the phone number here. Now after adding the phone number guys, just simply have to go back and just simply have to locate for the FaceTime. Now from here guys, you have to add the phone number here again. So just simply have to add the phone number. So you have to add the same phone number which you have verified before. And after that guys, you can easily fix your issue. So that's pretty much for today's video. If this is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.